Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Today's video is all about how to say goodbye to clutter and organize your home. Clutter can be overwhelming and can take a toll on our mental health and overall well-being. It can be difficult to relax and unwind in a cluttered space, and it can also be frustrating to constantly be searching for items that you can't seem to find. But don't worry, we're here to help you get your home organized and clutter-free. Before we dive into the tips, it's important to understand why decluttering and organizing is so important. Not only does it improve the look and feel of your home, but it can also help to reduce stress and improve your productivity. When your space is organized, you can easily find what you need and you won't waste time searching for items. This can also save you money in the long run, as you won't be constantly buying duplicate items because you can't find what you already have. Now, let's get into the tips for decluttering and organizing your home. 1. Start small. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Choose one room or even just one area to start with. This way, you can see progress and it will feel less overwhelming. 2. Set a goal. Determine what you want to accomplish in each space. Do you want to create a designated spot for everything? Do you want to free up more storage space? Having a clear goal will help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Get rid of unnecessary items. Go through each item and ask yourself if you really need it. If not, consider donating or selling it. Be ruthless and remember that getting rid of items you no longer need or use can be incredibly freeing. 4. Create a designated place for everything. This will make it easier to put things away and keep your space organized. Consider using bins, baskets, or shelves to store items and keep your space clutter-free. 5. Use storage solutions. Invest in storage solutions that work for your space and your needs. This could be anything from under-bed storage bins to wall-mounted shelves to shoe racks. 6. Make it a habit. Don't let clutter build up again. Take a few minutes each day to put things away and keep your space organized. Consider setting aside a designated time each week to declutter and organize your home. 7. Use labels. Labeling your storage bins and shelves can help you quickly find what you need and put things away in the right spot. Consider using a label maker or simply writing the names of items on masking tape and sticking them on the bins or shelves. 8. Utilize vertical space. Don't forget about the space above and below your furniture. Use stackable bins or baskets to store items under your bed or in your closets. Utilize wall-mounted shelves and hanging organizers to store items vertically and save space. 9. Donate or sell items you no longer use. If you have items that you no longer use or need, consider donating or selling them. Not only will this help to declutter your home, but it can also help others in need and even make you some extra cash. 10. Use bins and baskets to contain clutter. If you have a lot of small items that tend to clutter up your space, consider using bins or baskets to contain them. This can help to keep your surfaces clear and make it easier to find what you need. Decluttering and organizing your home takes time and effort, but it's worth it for the peace of mind and improved quality of life that comes with a clean and organized space. Don't be afraid to ask for help or hire a professional organizer if you need it. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you feel inspired to start decluttering and organizing your home. Remember, it's a process and it won't happen overnight. But with a little bit of planning and effort, you can transform your cluttered space into a functional and organized home. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more organization tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.